Welcome back to my channel. I'm Two Hands to Heaven, and today I am going to try to practice using my drill. That's one thing that I've been kind of like, a little leery about and a little bit nervous about. And I also do want to say, excuse my hand, I have a little nip there. I think I tore some skin off. I have no business tearing no skin off, knowing I'm trying to do nail content. Like, what is wrong with me? But I'm gonna do a Gelx set today, and I'm gonna start by pushing my cuticles back with my cuticle pusher. And I just want to have, a nice and neat, clean cuticle. I am just trying to get better at my Gelx application. As I've stated before, I am not a nail technician. I am solely just a nail enthusiast. So I did mention that I wanted to get more into using the nail drills and the tools and not being so intimidated. So I ordered me a cordless Melody Susie drill. I think this is the series 1. I'm not exactly sure what drill bit this is, but it looked like it will get the job done. So I just went in and, cleaned up those cuticles, and I was like, okay, I think this is actually working how it's supposed to work. So I'm just going to go in and just basically do that on all of my fingernails here. I also do want to mention that this drill was very easy to use. It's super lightweight. It also makes it, just really easy to control because it just fits, like a glove to me. One perk also is that it does not have any cords, and if you are a content creator, hopefully you would know my struggle. I have a lot of things plugged in when I record my content, like phone chargers, camera cords, and lights, and computer chargers, and lamp cords, and all kind of stuff. So, it's kind of less chaotic with having to worry about a less cord. But I do like this drill bit. I wish I knew the name of it so I can tell you guys. But I got it off Amazon in a little set. Wasn't expensive at all. And I also think this nail drill was about 30 bucks or so. It was not pricey at all. I also have to say I love how this nail set turned out. So I hope that you guys stick around and see the finished results. And while I have you here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know you stopped by. And please give me, some feedback. Let me know what kind of sets you want to see, because I'm all on this new journey of learning Gelx here. So today I am gonna try to encapsulate a nail. I'm gonna use the set that I used in my last video, was the Tipex Instant Apex kit from Amazon. Oh my god, it's amazing. If you don't have it, girl, stick around and watch the video because you may want to buy it. So I went in and used the buffer on my nails here because I just like the buffer. I don't feel like you have to go in and use the nail file unless I'm doing a client, which I really don't do clients. So I just like to use a nail buffer because I like to pop my sets right back off or go ahead and just soak them off. So I don't want to have to, use a drill if I don't have to. So of course I'm gonna go in still, and I'm gonna prep my nail with some Mia Secret. We're gonna get those nails all prepped and ready so we can have a nice and flat, clean, application. So do I have anyone here who's learning Gelx too? I just love to create content, guys. It's a safe place for me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add that bond on. Just doing all the proper steps before we go into our nail application. And now we're going to go ahead and apply our base coat to all of our nails. And now that I'm recording this voiceover, I'm realizing that I don't have any more base coat or a top coat. So I'm definitely going to have to head to Amazon and place another order with that. But I have been liking the Beatles polish. I'm a beginner, so that's the only kind of polish that I have really right now. So I guess I'm going to, place an order and get some more natural nude colors. So we have our base coat done. Now we're going to go ahead and do a full cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. All right, and we have our top coat done. And like I said, please disregard my little nick there. Oh, I hate that I did that. But yes, we're gonna go in with the Tipex Instant Apex set. I ordered this whole set off Amazon. So if you're interested, check out Amazon because I give it a 10 out of 10. So we have our sizing ready. And as I said before, I wanna encapsulate. So I'm gonna use that glitter. So now we're going to use this glue that came in the kit. I do like this glue. It is a solid glue gel and she is very strong. She's very sturdy and she means business, okay? Now this part is just very satisfying to me. I always try to get these clips of me putting the glue on and getting a flawless application with the gel. And I think we achieved it in this video. Yay to me. I think I'm getting better with my angles and, you know, things like that. So I'm just going to continue to keep putting my gel application on. And I will say that I got better with the application more and more as I got into the fingers. So by the time I got to my pinky, she was like perfect. We have the application complete. And I'm loving it. You see how look how 3D is so thick, you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a full cure for 60 seconds. Them babies are on tight. Now I'm gonna basically try to get the spillage that is on the edges and the sides and those cuticles. So I'm just testing some different nail drill bits. This one is the plastic drill bit, so it didn't get exactly what I wanted to remove. So the things that I could not get to remove with this drill bit, I'm gonna go in and basically file that down. It also looks like I may have lost that footage with me filing the sides of my nails, getting the excess glue off, but that's okay, you guys get the point. So yeah, I'm just sitting up here, mesmerizing over the sides and everything, but I did feel like I could clean up a little bit of the spillage, so I went in with this round cuticle ball bit. I felt like this one definitely got off all the excess glue for me, and I probably would use this a lot more. It worked very good on my cuticles because it's kind of round and it fit, if you get what I'm saying. I'm still getting used to drills and things like that, so be gentle with me, guys. But I do commend myself because drills can be very intimidating. New things can be very intimidating, and it can flare up your anxiety and all that kind of stuff. But hey, I'm on a journey with learning, so I'm not rushing. I'm just figuring things out my way.